Have you ever dreamed of a life with more freedom? A life where you are not tied to a desk from 9 to 5? Many people want this. They want to control their own time and their own income. The internet offers this promise, but where do you start? The online world seems vast and complicated. Most people think you need to invent a product. They believe you need to create something from nothing. This is a common myth. It is also the slowest path to success. The truth is, there is a better, faster way to build an online business. This is where the Titan's Edge formula comes in. It is not just another online course. It is a complete system. It is a roadmap. This formula was designed to eliminate the biggest hurdles. It removes the need for product creation. You do not need to spend months or years developing something new. You do not need to worry about manufacturing, inventory, or shipping. Instead, the formula teaches you how to leverage existing high-demand products and systems. You become the smart connector, not the stressed-out creator. It is about working smarter, not harder. The core purpose of the Titan's Edge formula is simple. It is designed to help you generate significant online income quickly. It cuts through the noise and confusion. It gives you a clear path to follow. Imagine having a GPS for building an online business. That is what this formula provides. It shows you exactly which turns to make and which roads to avoid. You are not just guessing. You are following a proven model that has worked for countless others. This system is about efficiency and results. It is about creating a lifestyle business, not just another job for yourself. Forget the old ways of doing business. The world has changed. The digital economy is booming, and the opportunities are massive. The Titan's Edge formula is your key to unlocking this new world. It is a blueprint for building a sustainable, scalable online income stream without the usual headaches. It allows you to tap into profitable markets without being the expert or the inventor. You can start with no experience, no product, and no technical skills. All you need is the desire to change your life and the willingness to follow a proven system. This is your chance to redefine your work and your life. What makes the Titan's Edge formula different from everything else out there? The first major benefit is its simplicity. The online world can feel overwhelming. There are so many strategies and tools. Most of them are too complicated for a beginner. The Titan's Edge formula is the opposite. It is designed to be easy to understand and implement. Each step is broken down into simple, actionable tasks. You will never feel lost or confused. It is like having a teacher guide you by the hand. This clarity is what allows you to move forward with confidence and speed. Next, let's talk about results. Many online business models take months or even years to show a profit. Most people give up before they ever make a single dollar. The Titan's Edge formula is built for quick wins. The system is designed to help you start generating income in a remarkably short amount of time. These early successes are incredibly important. They build momentum. They give you the motivation to keep going and scale your business. When you see that the system works, your belief skyrockets. This is not about getting rich overnight. It is about building a real, profitable business faster than you thought possible. Another huge advantage is the expert support you receive. When you start something new, you will always have questions. With most online programs, you are left on your own to figure things out. This can be frustrating and lonely. With the Titan's Edge formula, you become part of a community. You get access to experts who have already achieved what you want to achieve. They are there to answer your questions, review your progress, and guide you through any challenges. This support system is priceless. It is like having a team of mentors dedicated to your success. Finally, the formula provides a level of freedom that is rare. Because you are not creating products or managing inventory, your business is lean and flexible. You can run it from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. This is the true definition of a lifestyle business. It is a business that serves your life, not the other way around. You can travel, spend more time with family, or pursue your passions. The Titan's Edge formula is not just about making money. It is about designing a life of ultimate freedom and choice. You might be wondering if the Titan's Edge formula is right for you. Let's make it very clear. This system was created specifically for beginners. It is for the person who is brand new to the world of online business. You do not need any prior experience. You do not need to be a tech genius. You do not even need to know what to sell. The formula is designed to take someone from zero knowledge to running a profitable online operation. If you feel lost and overwhelmed by the idea of starting an online business, this is your starting point. It is your clear, simple path forward. This formula is also perfect for those who have tried and failed before. Perhaps you have bought other courses that promised the world but delivered nothing. Maybe you started a business that never took off. It is easy to become discouraged. The Titan's Edge formula can restore your hope. It works because it is different. It eliminates the common points of failure. It focuses on a simple, repeatable process. For those who are tired of systems that do not work, this is your chance to finally find a method that delivers real, tangible results. It is time to turn past failures into future success. The formula is also for anyone seeking a faster way to generate income online. Maybe you have a job, but you want to build a side income. Maybe you want to replace your current salary and quit your job entirely. The speed of this system is a key feature. While others are spending years developing a product, you can be generating cash flow within weeks. This is for the action takers. It is for the people who value their time and want to see a return on their effort quickly. If you need to make money now, not years from now, then this system is designed for you. Ultimately, this is for anyone who craves more control over their life. It is for the stay-at-home parent who wants to contribute to the family income. It is for the recent graduate who does not want to enter the traditional corporate world. It is for the retiree who wants to supplement their pension and stay active. The only real requirement is a strong desire for change and a willingness to follow a proven plan. If you are hungry for a better life and are ready to take action to get it, then you are the perfect candidate for the Titan's Edge formula. Your background does not matter, your ambition does. The best way to start is with our 5-day live masterclass. This is not a boring, pre-recorded webinar. This is a live, interactive event. For 5 days, you will be guided by the experts who created the Titan's Edge formula. They will walk you through the entire system, step by step. You get to see exactly how it works in real time. You can ask questions and get instant answers. This live format is crucial. It ensures you understand every concept before moving on to the next. It's really an immersive learning experience designed for maximum clarity and impact. The value of this masterclass goes far beyond the information itself. It is about building momentum. Over the 5 days, you will not just learn, you will take action. Each day comes with a small, manageable task that moves you closer to your goal. By the end of the masterclass, you will have already laid the foundation for your new online business. This is a powerful feeling. It eliminates procrastination and builds the habit of execution. You will leave the masterclass not just with knowledge, but with a business that is already in motion. This is honestly the fastest way to get started. When you join the masterclass, you also gain entry into our exclusive community. This is one of the most valuable assets of the entire program. You will be surrounded by people who are on the same journey as you. You can share your wins, ask for advice, and get encouragement when you need it most. The power of a supportive community cannot be overstated. It keeps you motivated and accountable. You will also have direct access to our team of coaches and mentors within this community. They are active every day, helping you succeed. You are not in this alone. Think of the masterclass as your all-access pass. It is your chance to learn directly from the best, get your questions answered, and become part of a thriving community. It is a concentrated dose of knowledge, motivation, and action. The transformation that happens in these 5 days is incredible. People walk in with confusion and doubt. They walk out with clarity, confidence, and a clear plan to build their online income. This is the single most effective way to launch your journey with the Titan's Edge formula. It is an investment in yourself that will pay dividends for years to come. So how do you get started? The process is refreshingly simple. There are no complicated forms or long waiting periods. Your journey begins with a single, decisive step, enrolling in the upcoming 5-day live masterclass. This is your entry point. This is where the theory becomes reality. To join, all you need to do is visit our website and reserve your spot. The entire process takes less than 2 minutes. Taking this first step is the most important one. It is a declaration to yourself that you are ready for a change. It is your commitment to building a new future. Once you are enrolled, you will receive immediate access to our welcome materials. We want you to be prepared to get the most out of the live sessions. These materials will give you a brief overview of the concepts we will cover. They will help you get into the right mindset for success. We will also invite you to join our private community right away. You can start connecting with other new members in our coaching team even before the masterclass begins. This ensures that from day one, you feel supported and part of something bigger. Preparation is key to maximizing your results. During the masterclass, your only job is to show up and engage. Be present, take notes, ask questions, participate in the daily tasks. The more you put into these 5 days, the more you will get out of them. The system is simple, but your engagement is what brings it to life. Treat it like the most important business meeting of your life, because it just might be. This is your opportunity to learn a skill that can provide you with income and freedom for the rest of your life. Give it the focus it deserves, and you will be amazed at the progress you make. The Titan's Edge formula is unique. It is the fastest, simplest path to building a real online business without creating your own product. It is your shortcut to the lifestyle you have always wanted. But knowing this is not enough. Information alone does not create results. Action is the only thing that matters. Your opportunity is right in front of you. The door is open. All you have to do is walk through it. Do not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Click the link, reserve your spot in the masterclass, and let's start building your new life today.